If you wish to book a hotel room, the phrases in the following dialogues will be useful. First, the tourist inquires about a twin room at the Prince Hotel. 来週土曜日から2晩16日までプリンスホテルに泊まりたいんです。ツインの部屋は一泊いくらですか？ First, the tourist inquires about a twin room at the Prince Hotel. 来週土曜日から2晩16日までプリンスホテルに泊まりたいんです。ツインの部屋は一泊いくらですか？ That means, Excuse me, would you like to stay at Prince Hotel next week from Saturday for 2 nights until the 16th? How much is a twin room per night? Let's go through some of the individual words in the phrases. 来週 means next week. から means from. 2晩 means 2 nights. 晩 is a counter for nights. Other example? 1 night up to 4 nights will be 1晩、2晩、2晩、4晩。プリンスホテル means Prince Hotel. 泊まりたい means want to stay over. This is a combination of the verb 泊まります that means to stay over, and たい it means to want to. ツインの部屋 means a twin bedded room. You could also request a single room, which is シングルの部屋。The response from the hotel receptionist is 日曜日に何時ごろチェックインされますか？ The tourist's response is 夜6時ごろです。それからチェックアウトは月曜日の朝9時半ごろします。And finally, the receptionist's response is かしこまりました。日曜日に何時ごろチェックインされますか？ Which means, around what time on Sunday will you be checking in? 何時ごろ means around what time? チェックイン means checking in. されます is the polite form of a verb します which means do or does. The tourist's response is 夜6時ごろです。それからチェックアウトは月曜日の朝9時半ごろします。That means about 6 o'clock that night. Also, I will check out about 9:30 a.m. on Monday morning. And finally, the receptionist's response is かしこまりました which means certainly or I fully understand or no problem. かしこまりました is a very polite response commonly used to address clients. You could also use phrases like 承知しました or わかりました instead. Some other useful phrases are 予約をキャンセルします means I will cancel a booking. Here, 予約 means booking. And キャンセル means cancel.